today we're at the FAU stadium, and this is from Future Liz, but I know that the last clip that I filmed was me crying hysterically before I came to FAU, so I'm gonna insert that. This vlog is gonna be my Labor Day weekend vlog, which mainly is gonna be consisting of us going to the beach. I cry a lot, by the way, so but don't worry, I'm good now, so I'll insert that now. Liz. We love you. We love you, Lizzie. I'm just so fine. And I really wasn't gonna cry. But I'm gonna miss him so much. I didn't think it was gonna be this hard. I really didn't want to cry. I really thought I wasn't gonna go cry. But I feel like as soon as I hugged my mom, I knew I wasn't gonna see her for like 4 months. So even after I went through security and I was going up, they were leaving parts of me. But this isn't gonna be a sad video. It's gonna be a happy one. Oh, my face is gonna be all puffy and swollen. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. But I think I have the most amazing friends in the world. And they just sent me a snap of Miriam still crying. But now I understand how Miriam felt.
Liz, we miss you already.
Crying really hard.
She's crying really hard right now. Her glasses are fogging up. LOL. I'm just kidding. But like, yeah. Bye, we love you. Definitely. Call us when you get there, okay? And text us so we can FaceTime you. Like, right when you get service, just like text us. Where are you? Say bye one more time. Wait, hella exposed. Wait, how do you do that? Okay. Love you.
Today we're here to have a good workout. We're at the stadium for the first time. Well, it's my first time here, and I think it's really pretty. I want to go to the field now. Guys, wait for me. I want to go. You want to dance twice with me?
It's good.
Guys, you guys should introduce yourselves. Say hi.
Is it on? Hi, Sabrina. How are you? Hi. Ew, that was really ugly. I'm Lorna.
I'm Lou. You have to introduce yourself. Although I just said your name.
Hi, I'm Lil.
Okay, I think we're done for today. We got so much done.
Shower and then meet later for dinner. Yeah.
Sabrina, we see you.
Look at her.
She walks like a grandma.
There's a grandma walk right there.
I want to take a video, it's funny. So I got black bean quesadilla, cilantro rice,
Yeah.
plantains. What did we eat? You got like the same thing basically, just without the quesadilla.
Noodles.
Pasta, soup, and she got a salad. We all got cantaloupes, I think. Yeah. And salads. Ooh, looks good.
starting the vlog. We're going to the beach. Very spontaneous, last minute. Okay, so we made it to South Beach. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. A lot of surfers, very cute surfers. Warren's gonna go find her surfer husband. So it's 8 o'clock right now, and we just had a great photo shoot, so I'll insert the photos. But it's like super dark now, so we're gonna leave and go elsewhere. Go for it. Ready? Wait, am I gonna be able to fit? Wait, wait. This is so much fun! Today, and we're at the same beach we were last night. For Snapchats we get, I'll insert right now. We're at the beach! But look at the water! Oh my god, it's so pretty. I want to live here forever. We're done. We met yesterday. My hair is so wavy. Okay, so we're back at Ply Bowls, and I got the electric mermaid. I got the tropical.
And what did you get?
I got a tropical bowl. She got tropical. I got Buddha.
Okay. And we're gonna eat this in the car. So we just got in the car. This is the best acai bowl. I'm like singing while she's trying to like clean up. Look at the mess you made. Good job, good job.
Near my house, but I've never been. It was so much fun. Oh my gosh, I'm looking forward.
And we're eating the sushi that we got with like snacks and Harry Potter. It is currently 8:52. But we've been here for like forever, and we were talking and we played photo roulette, and look at how pretty this is. It's been a really we just got to know each other a lot better, and we were just answering questions, but we were watching, and then I got tired first, and then everyone else just stopped watching the movie because of me. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day, and we're at brunch and hash browns, scrambled eggs, veggie patty, cauliflower with a lot of ketchup, and she got a bagel with cantaloupe and cream cheese. I just finished the first breakfast, and as if that wasn't enough, I'm having cinnamon toast crunch with almond milk, and now we're watching Descendants of the Sun. Okay, so today, Lauren is getting a tattoo! Okay, I'll film more in there, but I'm excited! Lorna, how are you feeling right now? Good. Good, good, good.
So we just got back. I think I'll show you the tattoo a little bit more closer. It's like making me want to get one. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Everyone say bye.